Morning everyone! So today we are giving our young stock birds their first bath. Well, at least their first bath with us. So we'll see how that goes. I'll just show you what we're going to do to prep for it. So before we get started on giving them a bath, we've got to take the floor out in the aviary, which just lifts out. It's just a sheet of wood. The bath that we are going to use, I'll just take you up here and show you. What are you doing on there? Come on, you need to get back in that aviary. Oh no, you can't have a bath yet, it's not already in there. We're just using this blue tub that Sky's just decided to show you. It's just a tub that we got from one of the kids' toys. It's just what came from the bat and ball swing. It used to be filled with sand, but it's the only thing we can get hold of at the moment, obviously with nowhere being open. And then outside, I'll just take you outside and show you that on the floor out there. Come on, you. So on the floor out here, we're going to put a sheet of tarpaulin on the floor under the aviary, just to obviously stop everything getting wet and everything. I'm not sure how it's going to go. It'd be exciting to see. And so we're just going to get set up and then we'll get started. Tarpaulin down, now sort the bath. Right, so the bath's in, just got to fill it up with some water and get started. Normally do have this big barrel full of water, but we forgot it last night, so we've had to improvise. Here it goes. Just get another bottle. Come on. Come on. There we go, let's see what happens. They're looking at it. They seem interested. I just don't think they know what to do with it. All the right actions and no idea. Come on, boys, get in the water. I'm just going to give one a helping hand in to get some idea of what we've got to do. Oh, no, he didn't want to go in. Come on, Sky, you show him how it's done. Good boy, come on then. How's that? Good boy. Hopefully the others should follow. I'm just going to leave them for 10 minutes and let them get used to it. That's 2 out of 4 in. Thunder's thinking about it. Cloud's giving up the idea. That's it, all 4 are finally in. They're quite enjoying themselves, just relaxing in that water. And I'm getting drenched in the process. Was that nice? Did you enjoy that, Flash? Hope you enjoyed today's bird bathing video. They're now sunbathing after a nice bath. Hope to see you again soon. Don't forget to subscribe.